Properly maintaining your vacuum is a critical step to assure proper function, product lifespan, and reduce unnecessary wear and tear on your unit. This video will provide you with a quick overview of some important maintenance recommendations. Prior to every use, check the Intercept Micro and Micro Cloth filters. A damaged, missing, or full filter restricts airflow and results in reduced suction and overheating. To check, first ensure the vacuum's upper harness is not locked into the highest position. If it is, lower the harness to the lowest setting. Then, undo the single latch and lift the cap to pull out the Intercept microfilter and the Micro Cloth filter. Empty the Intercept microfilter by turning it upside down into a garbage receptacle that has a plastic liner. Take the garbage receptacle liner and close around the filter opening so that dirt and debris are not released into the air. Gently shake the filter in the liner until it's empty. Make sure the pores of the Intercept microfilter are not clogged. If the filter is clogged, discard and replace with a clean Intercept microfilter. Non-reusable filters need to be discarded when full and replaced with a clean, genuine Pro Team filter. Check both filters for rips or tears and replace filters as often as necessary. Once a month or as necessary, hand or machine wash the Micro Cloth filter and let it air dry. Do not put it in the dryer. Every 2 or 3 weeks, or as necessary, visually inspect the HEPA Media Dome filter. To access the dome filter, remove the Intercept microfilter and Micro Cloth filter. Then, reach into the vacuum body, twist the dome filter, and lift it out to remove. If clogged with debris or damaged, discard and replace with a new Pro Team replacement filter. Twist on the dome filter until fully seated for optimal filtration efficiency. Reinstall the Micro Cloth filter, making sure the filter's lip completely covers the rim of the vacuum. Next, reinstall the Intercept microfilter and relatch the cap. Then, inspect the charger's indicator light. When a charge cycle begins, the indicator will change from solid red to flashing green. Once it changes to solid green, the battery is 100% charged. Holding the battery pack by the handle, slide it into the vacuum, aligning it with the rail. Ensure it's fully seated by pressing it firmly into place. Once inserted, the battery button mechanism will lock into place, resulting in a click sound. To remove the fully seated battery pack from the vacuum, depress the release latch. Be sure the battery is fully pushed into place before pulling on the battery after pressing the release button. The battery pack will eject slightly from the unit and can be removed using the handle. The charging, installation, and removal process is the same for both battery pack options, the 4 amp hour and the 8 amp hour. However, the charge time will differ. Now, check the upper harness, waist belt, and shoulder straps for rips or tears. Periodically, remove the harness system from the unit and hand wash using mild detergent. Do not machine wash. To remove and switch out the harness, pull the upper half of the harness cover up and away from the plastic. Slide the cover downwards to remove from the plastic pieces. Perform the steps in reverse to replace the harness with a new, clean one. Also, to remove and switch out the lower harness, slide the cover downwards, away from the plastic pieces. Then, perform the steps in reverse to reinstall the lower harness. Ensure the Velcro is properly secured by pressing on the purple fabric pockets. Next, while the vacuum is placed on a hard surface, adjust the upper harness height so it will sit comfortably between your shoulder blades. Then, ensure the weight of the vacuum is evenly distributed on your hips. Adjust the padded waist belt and shoulder straps using the numbered purple tabs for a customized fit. The on-off button is conveniently located on the side of the unit. Press once to vacuum in high mode for a deep clean. Press again to vacuum in low mode and maximize runtime. Press a third time to turn the vacuum off. Routine maintenance should also include inspecting the hose, tools, and attachments used in conjunction with the Pro Team backpack vacuum. Routinely check the condition of the grooves and bristles on some of the floor tools so proper airflow is maintained. Also, inspect the condition of the hose for normal wear and tear and replace when necessary. Damage to the hose or attachments can cause a loss of suction and efficiency. For more information about your Pro Team vacuum, refer to the product's owner's manual. Copies of the owner's manual are available at proteam.emerson.com.